That's why I was telling people before, like, listen, I don't take on stress like regular people. That doesn't mean that I ignore things. I never ignore things. Right? But I look at what I write it out first of all to see what I can control, what's in my circle of influence, and what's not, I forget about it. And once it's in the circle of influence, I get busy. And that is actually Eustress. Eustress. Right? So it's actually a form of alchemy where you turn alchemy people turning base metal to gold. But really, spiritually, it means turning a lower vibration into a higher, more useful vibration. Right? And actually turning the outcome, fixing the future. Right? These are things you can do, and these are things you can learn. Right? But first you have to be aware. That's why awareness is key. And every book that we have done on this channel, all of these great books, they all start with you being aware. You can't have change without you being aware. Okay? These are facts.